Hello all, I am Dr. Renu Maunika, Department of Psychiatry, Narayana Medical College and Hospital, Nellore. Today, I am going to discuss about National Anti-Drug Addiction Day, which is observed every year on 2nd October, marking the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, who condemned the use of drugs. This day was created by Union Government of India against the backdrop of growing drug addiction in the country. The aim of this day is to make India free from drug abuse and to preserve the integrity and talent of the youth. Most of the individuals, usually of teenage and adolescent age group, start off the use of drug by experimenting the pleasurable effects of the drug, usually out of curiosity and to have fun, while some individuals succumb to peer pressure. Some individuals misuse the life-saving drugs. What starts off as a peer pressure and trying to have fun ends up in abusing the drugs, leading to harmful consequences to an individual, not only physically but psychologically, socially, occupationally and financially. Various factors responsible for drug abuse are biological factors such as comorbid psychiatric or personality disorders, genetic vulnerability or any other medical conditions. Psychological factors such as curiosity to take drug, poor stress management skills, poor impulse control behavior, childhood trauma and as an escape from reality. Social factors such as peer pressure, intra-family conflicts, easy availability of alcohol and other drugs, rapid urbanization, poor support from family and society. Various substances which have addiction potential are alcohol, cannabis, cocaine, opioids, amphetamines, hallucinogens such as phencyclidine, inhalational and volatile solvents, sedatives, hypnotics and anxiolytics, and tobacco. The term harmful use of a drug is used when an individual continues to take the drugs in spite of knowing the harmful medical and social effects of the drug that is being used. After prolonged usage of the drugs, an individual develops a pattern of dependence in which the substance taking behavior takes much higher priority compared to any other behaviors that had greater value earlier. An individual is said to be dependent to a drug if he or she has strong compulsion to take the drug or if he or she finds difficulty to control the substance taking behavior or if he or she develop physical symptoms after partial or complete withdrawal of the substance, which is known as withdrawal symptoms, or if he or she requires increased quantity of the drug to attain the pleasurable effects originally given by the lower doses, which is known as tolerance. Progressive neglect of alternative pleasures due to substance taking behavior. Continuation of substance taking behavior in spite of clear evidence of harmful consequences. The adverse effects of drug abuse are development of symptoms of anxiety, depression, sleep disturbances, changes in personality and behavior, violent and aggressive personality leading to antisocial behavior, increased risk of heart diseases, increased risk of hypertension and hypercholesteremia, increased risk of seizures and cancers, liver damage leading to liver failure, intrafamilial conflicts and interpersonal issues, poor performance at workplace causing occupational impairment leading to financial crisis. A national survey on extent and pattern of substance use in India was done in the year 2019 by All Indian Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi. This study was commissioned by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India. The study involved nationwide survey of 2,111 households of 186 districts of the country. It included a total of 4,73,569 individuals. The results of study showed that 2.9 crores were dependent to alcohol. 25 lakhs of individuals were dependent to cannabis. 28 lakhs of individuals were dependent to opioids. 8.5 lakhs of individuals were dependent to volatile and inhalant solvents, among which majority were children. 3.2 lakhs of individuals were dependent to cocaine. 7 lakhs of individuals were dependent to amphetamine. 3.4 lakhs of individuals were dependent to hallucinogens. Overall, 2.9 crores of individuals were dependent to alcohol and 0.8 crores of individuals were dependent to illicit drugs, making an overall of around 4 crores of Indian families affected due to drug abuse. How to deal with drug addiction? Sharing the real facts about usage of drugs among teenagers and adolescents. Discussing the health risk and solution for drug abuse. Emotional support to be given to the individuals, which helps in increasing the chances of recovery for addiction. The individual should be motivated to be optimistic. He or she should be educated about being responsible for his or her own health, family and society. To convince the individual for de-addiction. One of the success factors in treating addiction is for the affected individual recognizing he or she is addicted to the drug and needs to get rid of the problem. National toll-free helpline numbers have been set up to guide through the program. By this, if required, anonymity of an individual is maintained and support for controlling addiction is increased. It includes a group effort involving affected individuals or their families or their friends sharing their experiences. It can also include medical professionals. Psychotherapies such as cognitive behavior therapy can be given, in which an individual is made conscious about the behavior changes and the ways drugs affect it. Healthier habits to be happy and joyful are discussed. In most of the cases, the underlying cause for reaching out to take the drug are to be addressed in order to prevent relapse of drug addiction. Considering the enormous challenge of drug abuse in the country, there is urgent requirement of policies and programs to be implemented which can bring relief among the individuals affected. Concluding, drug abuse is a preventable behavior and drug addiction is a treatable disease. Thank you.